The main purpose of MB1 is its use as a fault exclusion measure against the breakage of an actuator of a locking device. Let me demonstrate this. First, by closing the door without the MB1, the actuator of a locking device might hit the locking head itself and get broken. With the MB1, this is just excluded. The second way to break an actuator is by door misalignment. The bolt is fulfilling a guidance function to guide the actuator in any mounting situation perfectly inside the locking head, and is once again preventing the breakage of the actuator. This measure increases your performance level for the locking function. The next feature is the lock with padlock receptacle. This is useful for, let's say, maintenance reasons. If somebody wants to get inside the machine to repair something, that person want to make sure that nobody is relocking the bolt and restarting the machine. So what to do? The bolt has to be opened and then just rotate this padlock receptacle out by 90 degrees. You can see it on the back side. The mechanical part is perfectly blocking the bolt and is preventing it from being closed again. This mechanical lock can be secured by putting a padlock, for instance, which can be a very huge one for sure. Or if more than just one person wants to enter the area, you can use that simple lock-out tag-out hasp, which will do the job as well. Even this is not that big. The lock cannot be closed. So this is still blocking good enough. The padlock receptacle is latched in that 90-degree position as well as in the completely closed position, which is the only position where I can close the bolt again. In that closed position, it is not possible to lock the bolt, which is one important factor to fulfill the new ANSI B11.19 standard. Looking at the simpler devices on the market, representing more or less all the competitor devices, they usually have that hole in the front of the bolt. This is preventing the device from being closed as well, but if there's someone inside you just cannot see anymore, you can simply lock the bolt and trap that person inside without an option to escape and restart the machine. This is not allowed anymore due to the new ANSI B11.19 standard.